How to use Arkuda digital apps. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Arkuda Digital. So let's get into it. Now Arkuda Digital is basically a software company that develop multiple softwares that you can use on your devices, even in cars as well. Now people might already have these devices or softwares installed, but they don't know this. So you can see right here, if you scroll down below and click on products, you can see we've got ArkMC, we got My Audio Streams, and MC Player. So these are the three softwares that they have. Now ArkMC is their media streaming server and video player app, right? This is for iPad, iPhones, and Android devices, right? You can just simply install them by clicking on the button, and here you can download the app from the App Store. This is the Pro version, and then this is the Android version right here. This is the ArkMC. So what it features is the digital media players, digital media servers, like normal digital players, but this is like a more in-depth version of it. The only difference is that you can install them on multiple different devices and interconnect them with each other, like a whole ecosystem on their own, which is pretty cool. There's also the My Audio Stream as well. So here you can see is a streaming application for a wireless audio player, right? So it combines Arkuda's media network and technology, and basically you can install them onto your devices. You can install them on Android devices as well, which is pretty cool. So these are all the features of the applications you can see right here with different devices. This is what I was talking about. It works with speakers, televisions, PS3s, PS4s, Xbox, PC, tablets, everything else. They're all interconnected with each other, which is pretty cool. So you can find the link to these in the description below. So I highly recommend you use them. They're actually pretty cool. There's the Pro version as well, and if you want some discount codes for the Pros version, make sure to check the link in the description below as well. So pretty cool. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.